Well, we're back with the Paramotor 2 years later, or 5 years later, or whatever it was, and we're going to try it again. I'll talk you through on the way around. Depends on how we go. Oh, come on. That goes there. I'll put that kind of there. That goes there. That goes there. We have just a slight breeze, and you've got to get it lined up perfectly, I think. Righto, so nothing on the... Going to do the opposite hand, which is always good in the shower. Going to do the opposite hand, so throttle. I think what happens naturally as a pilot, you want to pull back once you take off. That's brakes, so it's kind of like pull back on the brakes, let's go up. And that doesn't work. So let's see how we go. Oh, lines are out the way. Helps just to have a little bit of wind, which there's absolutely none now, just to fluff that chute up before you go. So that's motors on, and got to swap hands here and gain a stroke. That's gooder. That's the chute open now. Bloody insects. Definitely needs a 6 cell. Still driving it like a plane. Pretty touchy on the controls. It's kind of fun. Righto. Get ready to turn him off.
Engine off.
There you go. Woohoo! Victory for the stringer. So what have we learnt? Probably not powerful enough. Those motors are good. The string guide is definitely essential. I don't know whether I need to move the weight forward so that you see, you think you'd have it at the back so it'd swing up and get going, but it doesn't. So, but anyway, bit of fun. We'll make some improvements from there. So we've flown the big girl. She's all good. We've flown the 300 with the new pantyhose, and whew, she's warm.